in the sweet by and by.
Hey, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you watching. If you've been watching the past videos, you may have noticed the one about 3 or 4 months ago. It's entitled "Not the Way I Wanted to Get Another Bike," I believe is what I had called it. And it's about my brother-in-law who had passed away, and his wife had gave me his 1991 Honda Goldwing. If you haven't watched it, at the end of this video I'll have the link up in the corner, and it'll also be in the description. And what today's video is going to be about is his brother had made him a cross and had asked me to put it on his gravesite, and that's what we're going to be doing today. We'll be going up on the hill. He's buried up behind his house on top of the hill, and we'll be going up there and putting that cross up. So watch along, and I hope you enjoy the video. So we got Henry's cross here. He made for Howard. I'm going to try to get it put up for him today. Well, we got the cross loaded in the back of the truck, getting ready to haul up the hill. We'll try to mount the camera here on the truck, maybe show the trip. And here we go.
In the sweet by and by, we shall be on that beautiful shore.
Hope it ain't so overgrown up there that I can't figure out where the grave is. That would be bad.
We shall be on that beautiful shore. We shall sing that beautiful shore. We're going to sing those melodic songs. Sorrow no more. Not a sigh for the blessing of rest in the sweet by and by. We shall meet on that beautiful shore. Think about it. We're going to a beautiful place. We'll never have to worry about anything. We'll be in the eternal presence of God forever. I'm looking forward to it, aren't you? It's going to be a sweet and a glorious land. Oh, yes, it is. Thank God that He made it possible. Yeah, Lord. In the sweet by and by, we shall be on that beautiful shore. In the sweet by and by, we shall be on that beautiful.
We're doing this in the center or at the grave. Let's take a look. Hopefully there ain't any snakes up there. There's his grave. working in around the edges a little bit. Right here it looks kind of center. Leave room for his headstone. I'll pull the truck out just a little bit. See what we can do here. Put it across where you can see it. I think I'll just go right here. I guess that'd be 15. Needing to go 18 at least. Let's see what we got now. There's the hole. And we're looking at 18, 19, 20. Pretty good. I'll mix up a little cement, throw in there. Put a little bit in there. See if we can drag you over and get you set up. Well, not as tall as we'd like on this one. Shoo lolly.